Hello, welcome again, guys. So, today, while I was editing one of my videos, I have realized that there is no audio form, waveform, basically, in DaVinci Resolve, right? So, I thought I should create a quick video because I have tried to search it online and there are only few videos on it. So, what I found is when you click on this particular button, this is basically the you can control different aspect of the timeline here. So here make sure that this one is checked, display audio waveform. Now you cannot see that, right? Still it's not here. So what we need to do is we need to increase the audio track height, and after that it will be visible like this. So hope I know this is a real quick video. I hope it is useful. Thank you everyone.